Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to clean calcium off bathroom tiles, updated. Start by testing a small area, then prepare a 1 white vinegar and water solution and apply with a spray bottle. Let it sit for 8 to 10 minutes, scrub gently with a nylon brush, rinse well with warm water, and wipe dry with a microfiber cloth to prevent new deposits from forming. For stubborn calcium, apply undiluted white vinegar or a baking soda paste, then allow extra dwell time before scrubbing. Work in small sections and use a plastic scraper or nylon brush to protect glazed tiles. Rinse each section thoroughly and towel dry to inspect results, repeating as necessary until deposits lift and tiles look uniform and clean without abrasive damage. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like this video to support more cleaning tips. Quick recommendation. Socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty, and check the description for the link and other deals if you're curious. I appreciate the support and want to keep bringing useful content. Now let's get back to the video. If vinegar is not enough, try a commercial descaler made for bathrooms, following label directions and safety precautions. Never use acidic cleaners on marble, limestone, or other natural stone to avoid etching. Wear gloves, ventilate the space, and test any product on a hidden tile first, then rinse well and dry to ensure the tile finish stays intact and calcium is removed safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.